السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class we are going to learn a lesson. Let's start. The first call to Hajj. Once the house of Allah was ready, Allah sent to Ibrahim alayhis salam, clean the Kaaba, make it clean and pure. Then people can come and pray. Allah also said, "This is my house. Do not keep anything else here. Then people may pray to me in peace. They should walk around Kaaba. They should pray standing. They should bow and prostrate themselves in prayer." Allah ordered the Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam, call people to come to the Kaaba. Call people to Hajj. Call them to pray together in the house of Allah. People in all corners of Arabia heard the call to Hajj. They came to Mecca. Some came on foot. Some came riding swift camels. Some came alone, and some came with family and friends. Some came from far, far away. They had to cross deep valleys and high mountains and hot deserts. They were so tired that they could not stand, but they all hurried to Allah, to Makkah. They all wanted to pray in the Kaaba. They all came to Hajj. They all came on Hajj. Why were people called to Hajj? They were called to come to the Kaaba. They were called to come to the house of Allah. They were called to pray to Allah, who made the world. They were called to bow to Allah, who was their Lord. The house of Allah is full of blessings. It is full of guidance. That is why Allah ordered that all men and women must go on Hajj at least once in their life. They must come and pray there. Allah also fixed the days for Hajj and ordered people to perform Hajj at that time and sacrifice a goat or other animal. This is to remember how the Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam and Ismail alayhis salam obey him. Once a great believers go on Hajj, they travel from all over the world. They come in planes, in boats, in cars and buses. They all come to the Kaaba in Mecca. They stand together and pray. Grown-ups and children, rich people and poor people, people from many countries, all of them pray together. They are all brothers and sisters in Islam. They are servants of Allah, and Allah loves them. Thank you.